What if every AI tool you built, every API, every chatbot, could earn you money automatically? This week, Kong dropped a game-changing update that could redefine how developers and creators monetize AI. Kong, one of the world's leading API management platforms, has just launched metering and monetization tools for both APIs and AI agents. That means you can now track, bill, and get paid all inside the same system that powers millions of API requests daily. No more complex setups, no more unpaid usage. Just plug your AI product into Kong and start charging instantly. For indie developers and startups, this is huge. Imagine launching a voiceover AI, a translation model, or a creative image API, and having Kong automatically handle your subscriptions, payments, and usage tracking. It's like having your own Stripe plus OpenAI billing system built right into your AI stack. The age of free APIs is fading, and the new era of intelligent income has begun. So if you're building with AI, this might be the moment to turn your code into a business. Subscribe for more tools that help you make money with AI every single week.